Oh,
So we are starting with sketching simplest Christmas trees, okay? So you do it with a pencil. To show it nicely in the video, I'm doing with a pen. So I would suggest every time you make objects of Christmas, make it in card sheets of different sizes so that you always preserve them and you can give it to people, your friends, family, teachers, Christmas. So your artwork will not go waste. It's also essential to use the artwork. Okay. So, whenever we think of Christmas tree, the first shape which comes in our mind is a triangle. So, let's first explore the simplest forms of Christmas tree. So, this is just a triangle. Okay, so I made a sharp edged triangle, and this is a simplest Christmas tree. Then I turned and twisted it into a triangle spiral, and it's like the Christmas tree. Then, starting from smallest, medium, and largest in increasing order, I'm just making few triangles, which is giving us a shape of Christmas tree. Now, if you wish to, you can put a star on top of each. Okay, so star and everything depends on like what scene you are creating. If you are creating some trees of winters, then you need not to put star on each and everything. But if you are creating something like related to just this is a Christmas tree, you can, put in some charms, put in some decorations. Now, right now, I'm not going into detail of the decorations because this we are doing all about is just, using basic shapes. Okay. So now let's move on. So to make it more interesting, let's give them some patterns. So here I'll give some, lines in different direction. So make it more interesting. And here I have given some circle charms, a star on the top. So let me give some, you know, just straight lines to keep it simple. So, likewise, you can play, you can explore your creative designing and try to come up with different variations. Now, let's go a little bit further. Now, these are like normal basic triangle shapes. Now, let's move a little bit more ahead. Can we make a round edged triangle? Yes, we can make a round edged triangle like this, which will give you. Can we make a kind of oval which gives you the shape of a Christmas tree? Yes, we can make it a little bit oval because a lot of Christmas trees are fluffy and nice. Can we give it a stick figure kind of design? Yes, we can give it the stick figure kind of design. Just we have to make sure that the lines are broader in the bottom section of the tree and are smaller in the above section of the tree. Now, if you want to take out branches, you can take out branches. Okay. Now you will say these are not looking like Christmas tree. I very well understand that, but we are exploring, we are developing our creative thinking. Okay. So we have to come up with few diversions as well, which will not look like Christmas tree, but it's like symbolic or minimalistically it's looking like Christmas tree or winter trees. Okay. So you can create n number of designs like this. Now, in lines patterns also, you can do n number of shapes. Look how simple this design is. But if you make it on a card with this triangle pattern and do some, glitter circles, the card will look absolutely stunning, right? Now, let's also give it some snowy bed, right? Now, let's go to some curvy versions. Okay, let's go to some curvy versions. So, the first thing which is coming in my mind is little artistic. Let's try this. I just love these circle kind of spirals. Can we make a Christmas tree like this? Yes, we can. Give it a snow bed, right? In place of star, I'm just giving it a spiral star so that it's going with the theme. Now it's also looking like a girl or a human figure. That's absolutely fine. Okay. Now, the second I can do is this heart shape, inverted heart shapes. Then I'll do it three because we are growing as we go down. It's also looking like to me a Sunday or an ice cream scoop Christmas tree. Yes, we can make it. So, you know how people design the advertisements. So, if I was an ice cream seller, I would have designed like a ice cream scoop Christmas tree with my best selling and like my ice cream products. Okay, so nicely I can decorate with different kind of sprinkles. Let's make a card, Christmas card, and in spite of an star, I will give a correct, like not inverted, but the correct upright heart. How lovely. So you can make it as a craft activity by using different baking sprinklers. You know, sprinklers which we put on the top of the cakes? Yes. So we can use those sprinklers and we can just make it a nice craft activity. So some chocolate chips, some rainbow sticks, some silver golden balls. Lovely, right? So we can make some Sunday ice cream Christmas tree as well. So keep on exploring. We can make hundreds, thousands types of Christmas trees. Now, how we can use these Christmas trees? They are super quick to make. So, if you're gifting your favorite teachers some Christmas cards, try these on them. If you are gifting some gifts and you are, buying gift bags, stop doing that. Get the brown bags and decorate with your artwork. Okay, because you will build confidence. The person who is receiving the gift will feel special and it's a very nice engagement for you and your family. So you can sit you up with your mom and dad and do it together. Watch out how your dad and mom makes it. Are they making better than you, or you are teaching them to have some fun with art? So keep exploring. Now I have got one space. What I should do, what I should do, what I should do. My favorite one. Why this is my favorite one? Because it teaches you a technique which is very important and I love that technique. That technique is called point, press, release. Yes. So if you are doing with a pencil, it will work wonders. If you are doing with a marker, it will look wonders. If you are doing with a brush, it will look wonders. So this technique is one of the technique you have to be very well versed in it, and it is point, press, release. Point, press, release. Point, press, release. So it gives you a shading line stroke. Okay, and then we can make the trunk of the Christmas tree and make it some nice. If you wish to put a star, you can put a star like this. Okay, so these are type of Christmas tree. Now these are just 9. We can make at least 90 because your thinking style is different from me. What I can think, you cannot think. What you can think, I cannot think. That's why. That's power of drawing. That's power of handmade things makes our artwork more unique. So here what you do is practice these Christmas trees on a loose sheet of paper. Now start creatively thinking how you can turn these Christmas trees into nice stars.
Ho, 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 ho!